Summer tomato salad recipe, serves 4 how to make it at home. Hello, are you ready for a simple yet incredibly flavorful dish that perfectly captures the essence of summer? Today, we're making a classic, mouth-watering tomato salad. This tomato salad is the epitome of fresh, simple, and delicious. It's a celebration of ripe, juicy tomatoes, crisp red onion, fragrant basil, and a perfectly balanced vinaigrette. Whether you're serving it as a side dish at a barbecue, a light lunch, or just enjoying it as a healthy snack, this salad is always a hit. I'll guide you through each easy step, from preparing your vibrant ingredients to mixing that irresistible dressing. Plus, I'll share some fantastic tips to elevate your salad, and we'll cover common pitfalls to ensure your tomato salad is always a masterpiece. Get ready to create a truly delightful tomato salad for 4. Tomato salad recipe, serves 4. Let's gather our ingredients and dive into making this refreshing tomato salad. Preparation and resting time. Here's a quick look at the time you'll need for this delicious tomato salad. Active preparation time, approximately 10 to 15 minutes. This includes washing, cutting, and assembling. Resting time, 10 to 15 minutes, essential for flavors to meld. Optional chilling time, an additional 30 minutes in the fridge for enhanced flavor. Ingredients. You only need a few high-quality ingredients for this standout tomato salad. 5 large, juicy tomatoes, approximately 600 to 700 grams, 1.3 to 1.5 pounds. Choose ripe, firm tomatoes for the best flavor and texture. 1 medium red onion, 1 handful of fresh basil leaves, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. A good quality olive oil makes a difference here. 1.5 tablespoons white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar, for that perfect tang. 1 teaspoon salt, freshly ground black pepper to taste. Cook instructions. Follow these simple steps to bring your tomato salad to life. 1. Preparation. Wash the tomatoes thoroughly. Then, cut them into wedges or larger chunks. The size is up to you, but larger pieces retain more juice and texture. Peel the red onion. Then, slice it very thinly into rings or half rings. For a milder onion flavor, you can soak the sliced onion in cold water for about 10 minutes, then drain before adding to the salad. 2. Assembly. Take a large mixing bowl. Add the prepared tomato pieces to the bowl. Next, add the thinly sliced red onion rings and the fresh basil leaves. You can tear the larger basil leaves by hand for a more rustic look and to release more of their aroma. 3. Dressing. In a small separate bowl, combine the extra virgin olive oil, white wine vinegar, or apple cider vinegar, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk the ingredients together until well combined. Drizzle the dressing over the salad ingredients in the large bowl. Gently toss the salad to coat everything evenly. Be careful not to mash the tomatoes, you want them to remain intact. 4. Resting. Once dressed, let the salad sit for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature. This crucial step allows the flavors to meld and the tomatoes to absorb the delicious dressing. What to serve with tomato salad? This tomato salad is a versatile, Mediterranean-inspired side dish that pairs wonderfully with a variety of meals, especially those that benefit from a touch of acidity, freshness, and juiciness to balance their richness. Let's explore some of its best companions. Grilled or roasted meats. The acidity and freshness of tomato salad perfectly balance richer or smokier meats. Grilled chicken breast or thighs, especially with rosemary or garlic marinades. Garlic ribs or pork chops. Beef roast or steak. Lamb chops. The acidity of the tomato subtly counteracts the distinctive flavor of lamb. Fried dishes. The tangy flavor refreshes breaded dishes and balances the richness of fried coatings. Fried cheese or camembert. Fried meat or fish, e.g., fried carp, catfish, chicken breast. Fried mushrooms or zucchini. Tip: using lemon juice instead of vinegar can create an even better harmony with these dishes. Mediterranean and Italian pasta dishes. It complements tomato-based or olive oil-based pasta dishes without overwhelming their flavor profile. Spaghetti alla puttanesca or napolitana. Lasagna or baked pasta dishes. Penne all'arrabbiata or aglio e olio. Fish dishes. Excellent with light, citrusy, or seasoned fish dishes, especially grilled or baked fish. Grilled sea bass or dorado. Salmon fillet with lemon. Baked hake or silver carp. Vegetarian dishes and flatbreads. Adds freshness to rich, cheesy, or dough-based vegetarian meals. Spinach or cottage cheese strudel. Cheesy vegetable pie, lentil patties, eggplant spread, hummus. Can also be served with fresh bread or as bruschetta. If you have leftovers, it's great piled on toast. A little feta cheese or mozzarella makes it even more exciting. Common and rare mistakes. To ensure your tomato salad is always perfect, let's look at some mistakes to avoid. Common mistakes. Cross-mark using underripe tomatoes. The star of this salad is the tomato. If they're not ripe and juicy, the salad will lack flavor and sweetness. Always choose plump, fragrant, and slightly soft to the touch tomatoes. Cross-mark over tossing or mashing tomatoes. Tomatoes are delicate. Over-mixing can break them down too much, leading to a watery, mushy salad. Always toss gently. Cross-mark dressing too early. Adding the dressing too far in advance can make the tomatoes release too much liquid and cause the salad to become watery and bland. Dress just before the resting period. Cross-mark skipping the resting time. This salad truly benefits from a short rest. It allows the flavors to marry and the tomatoes to soak up the vinaigrette, intensifying the taste. Rare mistakes. Warning using dried basil. While dried herbs have their place, this tomato salad thrives on the fresh, aromatic punch of fresh basil. Dried basil won't give you the same vibrant flavor. Warning: not adjusting onion strength. If red onion is too sharp for your taste, soaking it in cold water, as mentioned, can make a big difference. Don't let a strong onion overwhelm your delicate tomatoes. Warning: using low-quality olive oil. Since olive oil is a prominent flavor here, a cheap or low-quality oil can negatively impact the entire dish. Invest in a good extra virgin olive oil. Warning: serving too cold. While chilling can enhance flavors, as per our tip, serving a tomato salad straight from the very cold fridge can dull the nuanced taste of the fresh tomatoes. Room temperature after resting is often ideal, or just slightly chilled. Helpful tips. A couple of extra tips to make your tomato salad even better. For intensified flavor, if you have time, pop the dressed salad into the refrigerator for 30 minutes after its initial rest. This allows the flavors to deepen even further. For extra freshness, try adding a few drops of fresh lemon juice or a little grated lemon zest to the dressing. It brightens the whole salad. Allergen warning. Good news. This tomato salad is generally very allergen-friendly. This recipe does not contain common allergens like dairy, eggs, gluten, or nuts. However, if someone is sensitive to onions, you can easily substitute them with thinly sliced fresh cucumber or simply omit them and add more basil. And there you have it, a perfectly simple yet incredibly flavorful tomato salad. This dish is a testament to the beauty of fresh, seasonal ingredients. It's truly a taste of summer in every bite. What's your favorite summer salad? Or do you have a special twist on a classic tomato salad? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm so glad you liked the video. If you'd like to see more content like this, please give the video a like. This not only shows me that you liked what you saw, but it also helps promote the video so that others can find it more easily. And if you don't want to miss my latest videos, tips, recipes, or even my latest adventures, then subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free, and you can change your mind at any time. After subscribing, don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking on the little bell icon, so you'll be notified immediately when I upload a new video. Your support is very important to me, as it gives me the strength and motivation to continue creating valuable and entertaining content for you. Every like and subscription is a huge help. Thank you very much for watching the video.